And now, The Night Gardener. Written and illustrated by the Fan Brothers. William looked out his window to find a commotion on the street. He quickly dressed, ran downstairs, and raced out the door to discover the wise owl had appeared overnight, as if by magic. William spent the whole day staring at it in wonder. And he continued to stare until it became too dark to see. That night he went to sleep with a sense of excitement. The following morning, William was not disappointed. Each day, William discovered a new topiary. Next was a friendly rabbit, followed by a pretty parakeet, and then a playful elephant. With each new sculpture, the crowds grew and grew. Something was happening on Grimloch Lane. Something good. The next day, William dashed out of his home and followed the crowds, only to find the most magnificent masterpiece yet. Festivities continued long after the sun had set. As William was about to head home, he spotted someone unfamiliar. Could it be? The gentleman turned to William. "There are so many trees in this park. I could use a little help." It was the night gardener. Under the light of a full moon, they worked deep into the night. William awoke to the sound of happy families walking by, and a gift from the night gardener. The whole town had come out to admire the night gardener's and William's hard work. Over time, the leaves changed and then fell until there was no evidence that the night gardener had ever been to Grimloch Lane. But the people of the small town were never the same. And neither was William.